Welcome back on another Creo lectures video. So in today video we will make this drawing in Creo Parametric. So for making and drawing, click on new, click on sketch, click on OK. So actually this is the lecture number 2. If you have not seen this drawing and this drawing, how to make these two drawings, so I have made this two drawing in lecture number 1. So make sure first you have watched that video, then you have to watch this video. Okay, so let's start it. For making and drawing, click on center line and make y and x axis for your reference. Then we will make this rectangle. Click here, click on center rectangle and make the rectangle. Then give the dimension 5.2 and 1.2. This is the 5.2 and this is the 1.2. Okay, then we will make this rectangle, but before that, as you can see, this outer rectangle, the outermost rectangle, the dimension is 10 by 6, but there is a gap between 0.5 and 0.5, so 1 mm gap. So this second rectangle size is 9 cross 5. So click on rectangle, click here and make the rectangle. Give the dimension 9 and 5. Okay, then we will make this fillet of the radius 1. Go in the fillet, click here and click here, click here, click here. Okay, likewise the fourth radius is ready. The dimension of the radius is 1 mm. Sorry. Okay, 1 mm. Control Z. Control Z. Actually, we need to create fillet here. So go in the fillet and make the fillet on this outer rectangle. Give the dimension 1 mm. Then we will click here, click here, click here and click here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are equal of the dimension R1. Okay, then we will make outer rectangle of 10 by 6 mm. Go here and make the rectangle. This is 10 and this is 6. Likewise the geometry is ready. Then we will make this circle of radius 2. So diameter is 4. Diameter is 4. Then we need to remove this little extra portion. So go on the delete segment, click here, click here, click here and click here. Likewise remove from the other side also. Okay, so this is ready. The dimension is 4. Then we need to create this 4 circle. Inner circle is 0.6 dia. Outer circle is 1 mm dia. So go in the circle, click here and make the circle. Again click here and constrain according to the first circle and the second circle. First circle and second circle. First circle and the second circle. Press escape. Here the equal constraint will be applied on the other side. So you need to give the dimension only at this one side. So diameter is 0.6 and diameter is 1. Likewise, the geometry is ready now. Right now. As you can see, our geometry is fully defined. Okay. So we will make right now this drawing. Okay. For remove, so we will make first center line. Then what we will make? We will first make this base rectangle of 12 by 1 mm. Go in the center rectangle and make one rectangle. This is 12 and the height is 1. Okay. Then we need to make this circle, 3 circle, 3.6, 4.8 and 8.2. So go in the circle, escape, press escape and give the dimension 3.6, 4.8 and 8.2. Likewise, the circle is ready. What is this height? 18 mm. So double click here and give 18 mm dimension. Okay. 18 mm is from base. So we need to remove this 1 mm also. So give the 17 mm. If you don't want to give, then go on the dimension, click here and give the dimension here and remove this 18 mm and give here 80. Okay. Then we need to create this line, these 2 lines. Go on the line, click here and right click, go in the arc, make the one arc. Okay. Make sure you are not applying any constraint. Click on the line and make one line here. Okay. These 2 lines are tangent. This radius is 1.6. This radius is 1.6 mm. Okay, it is not applying. but don't worry, click here and give the tangent. This line is vertical, so click on the vertical and click here, and this line is dimension is 1.6. it is applied. This height is 4 mm from the base, so Ctrl Z, go in the dimension, click here and give the dimension 4 mm. Likewise, the geometry is right now ready. As you can see, this line and this circle is a vertical. This dimension is 4. Ctrl Z. Okay. Then we will mirror it, this line. So click here and click here. Click on mirror, click on and select this center line. So it will be mirror automatically. Then we need to create this one circle also of the radius 5.7. Go in the circle, make one circle. What is the radius? 5.7 into 2. So diameter is 5.7 into 2. Okay. Actually, this dimension is not 18. The dimension 18 is from the above part. So we need to remove 5.7 mm because this radius is not 5.7, 8.2 minus means 4.1. We need to remove 4.1. So 18 minus 4.1. So right now the geometry is fully defined according to the sketch. Okay. Then we need to create one line at the 4.8 mm. Click on line. Click on this rectangle and make the rectangle here. Rectangle height is 4.8. Go on the smart dimension. From here to here, the height is 4.8. Okay. And from here 1.6. Here to here 1.6. 1.6. From here to here, this is also 1.6. So this is fully defined. So we need to go on the delete segment, delete this unnecessary portion which is not needed. Okay. Likewise, we have created our geometry. Okay. As you can see, according to our sketch, the second tutorial has been complete. On the next video lecture, we will make this drawing and this drawing. Okay guys, see you tomorrow.